just sprinkle my baking soda solution. You could use like 2 cups here. Like this. Once I sprinkle the baking soda like this, I just now close the drum. Demonstration purposes, you can just use a brush if you have debris here and clean. Even these holes, if you have something and you see like it's clogging, you can unclog them to make sure that your drum is also super clean. But for this one, it's not that dirty, so I just wipe like this, just around like this, just to make sure that it's super clean. Just like this. And I'm still using baking soda, warm water solution. This. Just to make sure that it's super clean, so that your clothes are also super clean and they come from here. Just eradicate and eliminate the issue of bad odor completely. So once I'm done like that, now I just take my baking soda solution like this and just sprinkle my baking soda solution. You could use like 2 cups here. Like this. Once I sprinkle the baking soda like this, I just now close the drum. Switch on the machine. I go for the hottest cycle. That could be maybe even the cotton cycle, but in my case, because I have the EcoDrum clean cycle, which is also an excellent cycle for cleaning the drum, I just go for the EcoDrum cycle, and it's going to clean at 60 degrees Celsius, which is not bad. So, but if you don't have this functionality on the machine, you could just go for the hottest cycle that you can manage with your machine. So, just initiate the cycle, and now the machine is going to run empty, just empty, cleaning, cleaning the drum, and using that soda. Baking soda acts as mild abrasive, and it helps to scrub the inner parts of the turbine, and the turbine as it fights odor. As you can see, now the EcoDrum clean cycle is at it. It's just cleaning the drum, even the seal everywhere, that kind of thing. And now that baking soda solution is also going to help to make sure that we eliminate any kind of odor that can be in this machine. We've come to the end of today's video, and if you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.